Everyone, welcome back to another Java tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see how you can open the JForm in Java. So let us start. First of all, I am creating here the JForm with the name of login, and I am dropping here some control from the control box like the label and buttons. Save it and go into the main function of your project and write. First of all, I am creating here the object of my form, which one I want to open, like just like login one I want to open. So I am creating here the object of login form. Login equals to new login, and after the object I just set the visible of my form is equals to true. So start, and your form is here. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.